Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the absolute pinnacle of automotive luxury. What you are about to witness is not merely a vehicle, but a rolling masterpiece valued at nearly 1 million euros. This is the MANSORY Rolls-Royce Phantom, finished in an exquisite black diamond. Behold its commanding presence, where the iconic Pantheon grille is adorned with stunning bronze accents, perfectly complementing the golden Spirit of Ecstasy rising from the hood. The exterior is a symphony of dark elegance and aggressive styling, featuring custom MANSORY carbon fiber bodywork and massive gloss black wheels with signature orange center caps. But the true magic unfolds the moment you step inside. Prepare to be mesmerized by a breathtaking orange and black interior, where every single surface is draped in the finest leather with intricate diamond quilting. The dashboard is a genuine work of art, showcasing brushed metal trim, the iconic analog clock, and a bespoke MANSORY steering wheel that puts ultimate control at your fingertips. Glance upward to discover the legendary Starlight headliner, now customized in a vibrant orange hue, creating your own private galaxy. The attention to detail is simply obsessive, from the embroidered MANSORY seatbelts to the machined aluminum door controls. In the rear, this transforms into a first-class private jet on wheels, complete with power reclining massage seats, fold-out entertainment screens, and a crystal champagne cooler. Yet, beneath this lavish exterior lies a monstrous 75-liter Twin-Turbo V12 engine, delivering 610 horsepower and 950 Newton-meters of torque, moving this magnificent palace with absolute effortless grace. MANSORY has taken the world's most luxurious sedan and elevated it into an unparalleled statement of wealth, taste, and exclusivity. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 1 million euro MANSORY Rolls-Royce Phantom, where absolute perfection is beautifully redefined.